Namaskaram Andy. Now, inter first year chemistry. Let we discuss about SPDF block elements. First, let we know about differentiating electron. The last electron entering into atomic orbital is called differentiating electron. Based on entry of differentiating electron into various orbitals, the elements are classified into four blocks. They are S block, P block, D block, and F block. S block, P block, D block, and F block. Periodic table of SPDF block elements. Periodic table of SPDF block elements. S block, P block, D block, F block. S block, P block, D block, and F block in the periodic table. First, let me discuss about S block element. First, let me discuss about S block element. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into outermost S sublevel are called S block elements. It has two groups. 1A, 2A. 1A and 2A. 1A includes hydrogen. 1A includes hydrogen and alkali metals. The general electronic configuration of outer shell is NS1. 2A. 2A includes alkaline earth metals. 2A includes alkaline earth metals. The general electronic configuration of outer shell is NS2. The general electronic configuration of S block elements is NS122. General electronic configuration of S block elements is NS122. These elements are placed at the left side of the periodic table. All the S block elements are highly electropositive metals except hydrogen, good reducing agents and highly reactive. Second one, P block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into outermost P sublevel are called P block elements. It has six groups. From 3A to 7A. From 3A to 7A and 0 group except helium. From 3A to 7A and 0 group except helium. 3A group, boron family. General electronic configuration of outer shell is NS2 NP1. 4A group, carbon family. General electronic configuration of outer shell is NS2 NP2. 5A group, nitrogen family. General electronic configuration NS2 NP3. 6A group, oxygen family. General electronic configuration is NS2 NP4. 7A group, halogens 7A group halogens. General electronic configuration is NS2NP5. And zero group noble gases. General electronic configuration is NS2 and P6, except for helium, which has 1s2 configuration. 3A group boron family, general electronic configuration NS2 and P1. 4A group carbon family, general electronic configuration NS2 and P2. 5A group nitrogen family, general electronic configuration is NS2 and P3. 6A group oxygen family, general electronic configuration is NS2 and P4. 7A group halogens, general electronic configuration is NS2 and P5. And 0 group noble gases, general electronic configuration is NS2 and P6. Except for helium, which has 1s2 configuration. Except for helium, which has 1s2 configuration. The general electronic configuration of p block elements is NS2 NP126 NS2 NP126 or NS2 NP1 to NS2 NP6. These elements are placed at the right side of the periodic table. All non-metals, metalloids and few metals are belongs to P block. All non-metals, metalloids and few metals are belongs to P block. And third one, D block elements. Third one, D block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into penultimate n-1 d subshell are called D block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into penultimate n-1 d subshell are called D block elements. It has 10 groups. They are 3b2, 7b, 8 contain 3 vertical columns, and 1b, 2b. 3b to 7b, 8 contain 3 vertical columns, and 1b, 2b. The general electronic configuration of D block elements is n-1 d1 to 10 ns 1 to 2, where n equal to 4, 5, 6 or 7. n-1 d1 to 10 ns 1 to 2, where n equal to 4, 5, 6 or 7. These elements are placed in between the S and P block elements in the periodic table. These elements are placed in between the S block and P block elements in the periodic table. In this block, elements are divided into 4 series. And each series contains 10 elements except 60 series. First one 3D series. From scandium Z equal to 21. To zinc Z equal to 30 in 4th period. From scandium Z equal to 21 to zinc Z equal to 30 in 4th period. 4D series. From yttrium Z equal to 39 to cadmium Z equal to 48 in 5th period. from yttrium Z equal to 39 to cadmium Z equal to 48 in 5th period. Next one, 5D series. 5D series. From lanthanum Z equal to 57, hafnium Z equal to 72 to mercury 80 in 6th period. From lanthanum Z equal to 57, hafnium Z equal to 72 to mercury 80 in 6th period. And next one, 60 series. It is an incomplete series. From actinium. Z equal to 89 in 7th period. D block elements are hard and heavy metals with high melting point and boiling point. Next one, 4th one, F block elements. Fourth one, F block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into anti-penultimate n-2, F subshell are called F block elements. The general electronic configuration is n-2 F 1 to 14 n-1 D 0 to 1 ns2 where n equal to 6 or 7. General electronic configuration of F block elements is n-2 F 1 to 14 n-1 D 0 to 1 ns2 where n equal to 6 or 7. These elements are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. It has two series and each series contain 14 elements. 4F series. From cerium Z equal to 58 to lutetium Z equal to 71. From cerium Z equal to 58 to lutetium Z equal to 71. The elements of this series are called lanthanides or rare earths. Next one, 5F series. From thorium Z equal to 90 to lawrencium Z equal to 103. From thorium Z equal to 90 to lawrencium Z equal to 103. The elements of this series are called actinides. Thorium and uranium are naturally occurring. And remaining elements are man-made and all are radioactive elements. radioactive elements. F-block elements are also called as inner transition elements. F-block elements are also called as inner transition elements. F-block elements are also called as inner transition elements. Thank you all.